Good morning, children. Once again, I am before you with video number 13, Respiration in Organism, chapter number 9. Today, we will discuss about what? Today, we will discuss about the breathing process of breathing. Now, let me come to explain what happens in the process of breathing. We take in air through our nostrils, it passes into the nasal cavity through the nostrils. The air we inhale has various types of unwanted particles such as smoke, dust, pollens, etc. These particles get trapped in the air in the nasal cavity. Sometimes these particles irritate the inner lining of the cavity. What happens? As a result of which we sneeze. Sneezing lets foreign particles out from the inhaled air. The air from nasal cavity moves through the windpipe and it can reach the lungs. Lungs are present where? Lungs are present in the chest cavity, which is surrounded by ribs on the sides. The floor of the cavity is formed by a large muscular seat. What do we call them? That is called diaphragm. Breathing involves the movement of the diaphragm and the rib cage. The movement of diaphragm is controlled by a group of muscles. What do we call them? That is called intercostal muscles. After reaching the lungs, every bronchus divides to form what? A large number of yet smaller tubes that is known as bronchioles. These bronchioles comprise of minute air sacs at their ends known as alveoli. The walls of each alveolus have a large number of very thin tubes or blood capillaries. The O2 combines with the hemoglobin present in the blood to form what? Oxyhemoglobin. And that is the oxyhemoglobin then carried by the blood to different tissues of the body. Oxygen diffuses into the cells of the body as blood passes through different tissues. Just see through the diagram, that will be more clear before you. Through the diagram it is clear that the nasal cavity near the nose, nostrils are there, then the oral cavity inside the teeth, larynx, just you can see here, then the pharynx here, there, larynx is also called the voice box, then it goes into the trachea, ribs are there, it is shown through the diagram, it is clear. Then right main bronchus, left main bronchus, it is the right lungs, here the left lungs, and in case of the diaphragm here, that helps in the contraction and relaxation of muscle, so it shows altogether human respiratory system. We have discussed about the bronchiole. From the bronchus, the number of parts it shows, the bronchioles, then the alveoli are there, so blood supply by whom? The alveoli. So after this discussion of process of breathing on video number 13, some questions are also based upon the same. Assignment question of video number 13. Question number 1, how can we take air? Question number 2, name the particles present in the inhaled air. Question number 3, why do we sneeze? Question number 4, what do you mean by diaphragm? Question number 5, define bronchioles. And question number 6, why should you breathe through your nose and not your mouth? In this video, we have discussed about the process of breathing. It is related to the life process. So all the children stay home, stay safe, and learn it carefully.